1.2 Earth Day article, How to be an Environmental Advocate During COVID-19 by Alexa Cursius. Right now, a disease called COVID-19 is spreading. It is happening worldwide. Much of the world has to stay home. This will help people stay healthy. Yet you can still help the environment. You can do your part from home. Read on to learn how. Number 1. What is the purpose of Earth Day? Join a digital strike or do citizen science. The Earth Day Network plans Earth Day events each year. This year, it's doing online talks. It will have live-streamed events too. You can watch them online. It also created an app. You or someone in your family can download it. The app lets people record the environmental conditions in their community. This is known as citizen science. Scientists will look at the data. They can use it in their research. Others are encouraging people to make their voices heard. You can post an Earth Day photo on social media. Use hashtags like Digital Strike and Climate Strike online. This will show the world you are still celebrating Earth Day. Reflect on the resources you use. Every day, people use electricity and heat. These are resources. Using them affects the environment. Katie Lyons is a scientist. She works at the Georgia Aquarium in Atlanta, Georgia. Normally, she is out in the ocean. She studies how sharks and rays are hurt by pollution. Lyons says to think about the resources you use. Consider how you can get by with less. Turn off the lights when you leave the room. Power down electronics when they aren't in use. These small actions can save electricity. What resources do people use every day? How can you use less resources each day? Improve your recycling habits. We make a lot of trash. In 2017, Americans made about 4.5 pounds of trash per person every day. Much of our trash can be recycled. Cara Napolitano works at a recycling center. It is in Brooklyn, New York. The center receives huge amounts of paper, plastic, glass, and metal. It gets about 1,000 tons a day. That's about 200 school buses worth of stuff. Napolitano wants everyone to know the rules of recycling. You can learn the rules online. There are websites you can check. Know before you throw, she says. Some areas accept food containers, but you should clean them first. Avoid putting plastic grocery bags in recycling bins. They can clog the recycling machines. How much trash do Americans make? Why should we avoid putting plastic grocery bags into the recycling bin? What is the main idea of this article?